So why do I have so many rhinestones on me? It's because of a new Huda Beauty Obsession palette. The look that I've created is not simple, it's not easy, but it is lots of blending and took me hours to actually create and film this look. But at the end of the day, I enjoy it, I love it. I've also used a shimmer to create a highlight and the eyeshadow for my blush just to match it and just to try it out how it will perform. What else? Let's jump into the actual tutorial. Before we start, let me show you some swatches, and here are the first 7 colors, and let me show you how matte performs. And here is the shimmer. Oh, it's really good. It's such a weird duochrome. I don't know if you can see. It reflects like you have 2 different colors. These 2 are actually my favorite ones. And for some reason, this yellow color didn't swatch good. And I will try to use all 9 colors. We'll see if I will make it. I'm gonna start with this shade right here. When I see these colors, I think of fall. Such a great color choice for fall. Let me go with this yellow color. Just above this orangey color. Love the combination. So blend this out and pull this yellow color way out of your eyebrows. I was kind of scared because this yellow color as a swatch didn't perform well, but it's good on the actual eyes, so it's good. It's not super pigmented, but it's doing the look that I want. So let's jump to this color right here. I find it easier to pack the eyeshadow with a smaller brush, and then to blend it out with a little bit bigger brush. Sorry, I keep saying blush instead of brush. I have no idea why. I'm basically starting off with matte colors, and then we will go to shimmers. Highlight. So this is gonna be the next color that I'm gonna be using. The darkest color in this palette. I love this one as far as how it's swatched on my eyes, but I think I'm gonna have quite a fallout here. Maybe not. Oh, it's okay. I'll fix this later. You can create such a beautiful smoky eyes with these colors. I love them so much. So I was thinking to go in with Inglott's AMC number 77 eyeliner, just to make some more dimension. Inner corner and outer corner of my eye. And later we'll do the eyeliner. It is super pigmented and strong eyeliner. It is one of my favorites. So obviously I cannot leave it like this. So we will blend this extreme black color with, again, this dark warmish brownish shade. I'm gonna do this. Okay. It would be better if I used wet brush for this. Okay, I'm gonna need some. Why are my hands shaking? I have no idea. Blend, blend, blend. It takes me so long to blend everything well, and even more when you're doing it with a small brush like this. Like when you do basic blending with a blending brush, it's way easier, and this step requires a lot of time and patience, but it's worth it. Time to cut a crease. I'm gonna be using a Makeup Factory's Light Reflecting Concealer in a shade number 2. Where's my mirror? Can't wait to see how these shimmers will look on this eye look. I know it looks kind of weird right now, but just in the middle, okay? Clean the brush because it will sorry, because you will have a lot of eyeshadow on your brush. Let's try some shimmers. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay. I'm gonna mix it with this one right here. Gorgeous dual color. Why it won't stay on? Let me wet my brush. I guess this would be easier to apply with a finger again, but time for the lower lash line. The first step I'm gonna do is to apply a primer so that my eyeshadow can stick even better. Let's repeat what we have done on a lid. Do it again on a lower lash line. As I go with the darkest shade, I go closer to the lash line. Time for some rhinestones. I've got these in a AliExpress, I think, or eBay. I think it was AliExpress, so you can buy them in various sizes. If I can find the link, I'll link it down below. This is just the basic look for the eyelashes. And also I'm just applying some orangey rhinestones, also small size. I think this is size 5, double S5. Cool. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and what do you think? I mean, I love this palette. Wasn't the easiest palette to work with actually, especially with shimmers. I couldn't blend them the way I wanted that easily, but at the end of the day I really love the choice of colors and the way they match together. It's really nice, and it is perfect for the, if you ask me, not only for the fall time, but I would wear this throughout the year. Definitely not the last time I will use this palette. So far I like this one and the Artemis palette also. The ruby one is still to be filmed, so I cannot wait to try it also. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching, and I wish you have a great day. Thank you so much.